Well, my name is Ronnie Joseph Ricard, and I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. I hear people say that they lost everything. I try to tell them that as long as you don't lose sight of God, you're going to be all right. I have to credit the people at Mission Lab for their contribution, because I know they were God-sent. Each week they send another group of people from places all over America to restore my home, and I'm getting closer and closer to finishing. As much as you want to show your appreciation and thank them, it was them who kept saying, "Thank you, Mr. Riley, for letting us help you." It inspires me more and more each day.